Fellow beauty enthusiasts, it's Heather from the Beholder today, and I've got a fantastic, most gorgeous brown color of hair extensions. It's a shade number 3. It's like a rich, espresso-y, dark chocolate kind of brown. You're going to love it. So, Runature. Experts in natural hair. So it's a 16-inch silky straight hair, and it's 20 pieces, which will equal 10 hair sandwich pieces for you. So this hair I ordered from my friend Kathy, who's going to be my model in the next coming up video for an installation. It's her first time using extensions, so we are excited. Look at this. So we're going to break it open and look at this beautiful color together. I just love the rich browns that remind you of like espresso. Might make you hungry with that chocolate richness to it. So this is a shade number 3. Wow, that's really nice, isn't it? Okay, and the browns are always so silky because they haven't been processed as much as a blonde per se. Ooh. Each strand feels just like it's in such great condition, this hair, as always. So here's your tape and top. We'll go ahead and take this part off so you can better get a glimpse of what we're looking at. So your 20 individual pieces, I recommend using extra tape in between each one, which I've already got from Amazon as well. Look at the shine, brilliant shine. Let me show you in other shades of light. We have, I believe right now is warm. We're going to switch it to cool or neutral. Either way, I'll let you know. I'm going to turn up the brightness a little bit. Got the power. So, this is your neutral light. Their hair is always so thick from the very top to the very bottom, and it's just cut so blunt and beautifully. I mean, oh, it's so delicious. So, Kathy, you're going to love this hair. We have 3 boxes equaling 150 grams. So we're adding length and volume to her hair. Her hair is thick, and she has a bit of a wave to it. Naturally, this is going to be quite a transformation for her. So exciting. Look how long 16 inches can be. Ooh, that looks good on my skin tone. I miss being brunette sometimes. Also, they have a Facebook discount page, which you want to be a part of. They offer live feeds and product demos and product specials that you won't find anywhere else, exclusives. So their Facebook page is under Runature Hair Discount Club. So find them on Facebook as well and join their group for more discounts and promotions. Thank you again for tuning in. Please come back because I would love you to see me install them on my friend Kathy. So that will be coming up soon. Thank you again. I really appreciate those of you who are coming back, and those of you who are for the first time, please do like and subscribe. I am a new channel. I'm bringing you the very best reviews in anything beauty, from hair extensions to colored contacts to eyelashes to nail ideas and polygels and life beauty hacks, you name it. DIY beauty products, hyaluronic acid, for example. I just getting started, so please be a part of my growth and like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.